Pectus Warriors, you guys have to try this superset if you've got Pectus Excavatum to build your chest and make the pectus look better. So for the superset, it's incline dumbbell press. You're going to choose a weight that enables you to do about 8 to 12 reps to 1 rep shy of failure. Okay, so the incline, it's really good to hit the upper chest. Building the upper chest helps with pectus, obviously just building your overall chest. And the compound nature of this movement, you'll be able to go heavy. Choose a weight that's really challenging. Then as soon as you finish that and you're 1 rep shy of failure within that 8 to 12 rep range, pick up a weight that's 60% of what your 8 to 12 rep incline dumbbell press weight was, and then do as many reps as possible on incline crush grip dumbbell press to failure. That is very important. We want to go to failure. As you're doing these, nice controlled tempo and focus on keeping your elbows tight and feeling the inner chest muscles, okay? Feeling your inner chest blowing up around the pectus, all the blood accumulating there, okay? And so as you do this and you rep it out with nice controlled form, you're going to feel a really crazy burn and pump there. And that is the superset. So it's incline dumbbell press, 8 to 12 reps, superset with incline crush grip dumbbell press at 60% of that weight for AMRAP at RPE 10 to failure. Okay, and I want you to do that 3 times. And this is going to be an amazing chest superset for you guys to do that will build your chest and build around the pectus to make it look a lot better. Okay, so go and try that and then leave a comment in the comments what you thought of it, because I think you'll be stoked with the pump you get and how much you can feel that's going to benefit your pectus. And building the chest, building the muscles around the pectus. Like if you look at my chest, I've made it look hardly noticeable by building the muscles around my pectus. Okay, and this kind of exercise, this kind of superset combination where you're actually creating a lot of intensity and you're creating a lot of muscle damage, and you're using an adduction focused pressing movement with the incline press to really target the non-spanning chest fibers to get that full sculpted chest around the pectus. Okay, and you will feel it. When you do this, you will feel it, and you will feel how much better it's going to make your pectus if you consistently apply yourself to exercises like this, as well as good nutrition to build your physique, to make your pectus look better. Yes, guys, this is just one of like hundreds of different awesome exercise combinations and supersets that I utilize for my programs for my clients to build them amazing bodies that will make their pectus look as least noticeable as possible. So if you're interested and you really want to make your pectus look better as soon as possible with a program that's tailored to you and your pectus, then you should go to my website, fixpectus.com. Book a call with me so I can meet you to personally assess your pectus and then determine the program and plan and strategy that you need to overcome it.